Alrighty. This is changing the oil on a 2017 FZ07. I believe it should be the same exact procedure for the MT07. So, want to get your bike warm. I ran mine around the block real quick, or the corner, street, whatever you like to call it. And so you're going to remove your oil fill cap first, so that you can get adequate flow when you drain it. Your drain bolt's a 17 millimeter, and you're also going to want to remove your oil filter. But you don't have to replace your crush washer every time, but it's a good practice too. So we're going to remove this drain bolt and watch, the oil's going to come shooting out. Oh, and be careful, that's going to be hot. Alright, so while that's going, I'm going to go get a oil filter wrench. So we got our oil filter wrench. And you're just going to take it. I got mine pretty loose, so I'm going to be replacing mine with a Fram oil filter. These aren't really rated the best, but I'm probably going to change my oil pretty often. I do a lot of riding, and I'll end up getting a Yamaha filter next. And I've got T6 Rotella. This is recommended for FZ07s, even though it's not made for them. A lot of people use it. And so we're just going to let that finish draining, make sure that it gets everything out from in there. So it's not leaking. And then you're going to want to put some oil on the new filter of yours. Be careful, the inside is actually pretty sharp. I've cut myself on it before. Alright. You're going to have to find the screw so you can put it on, of course. And I recommend hand tightening so you don't have to use an oil filter the next time. An oil filter wrench, I say, but you do want it tight so that it does not leak or fall off. Some people remove their coolant thing when they're doing their oil change. I did not have a problem doing it with it there, so I don't. So yeah, you're actually going to want to fill between 2.4 to 2.7 quarts. I just buy the 4 quart bottles, so I was just used to saying that 3 quarts, but yeah, so mine's about filled with about that much, so we're gonna run it and see what it does, see if I need to add any more oil. Right now we're at about a little bit above the full window, but I assume when the engine runs it will go down a bit, so we'll be pretty good where we are right now. And let me go get the keys. Don't have those, but you can take a look at the bike while I do that. And we'll give you a, not necessarily a cold start, but